How to add quick view on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a quick view pop-up into your Shopify store. So all you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over shopify.com. Then you only need to set up the account or sign in into your account. Once you are here, you're going to see the admin dashboard. And now we are going to click on the search bar at the top. Then we are going to type in quick or like that, quick view. Then we are going to search for it in the Shopify App Store. So as you can see, we have tons of apps that can do the work correctly. We have a Smart Viewer, which is Quick View. We have here a Quick Product Navigator Slide, HKT, Quick View Add to Cart, Quick View Maker, and etc. So we are going to select here Smart Viewer, Quick View. Now we are going to install it. You can go ahead not use this one in particular. You can go ahead and use whatever suits you from this list because it is just an app and we don't have a precise app. So we are going to install the app. Then we are going to wait for it. So we are going to see here that we have installed the Quick View. So the first thing to do is to enable quick view. Please go to the theme, customize app embed, switch to this one. So disable quick view, we are going to put here no. For the position of the quick view, you can go ahead and put the, as you can see here, the position of it, the quick view button display on mobile, normal. So go to the cart. You can go ahead and add to the button of go to cart. And here we have the, as you can see, the pop-up showing up. So we are going simply to click on save changes. Now we are going back to the Shopify store of ours. We are going to select the online store. Select the theme that we are going to work on, and then we are going to enable that app. So click on customize. Now we are going to wait for a few seconds. Then we are going to select here from the left side, app embeds. You're going to see here square eye quick view. So we are going to activate it. And then here we have it. So normally when you are going to choose here, as you can see, we have quick view. This is the quick view. So we are going to set up this pop-up. It will show up here the details like that, and boom, you can go ahead and put the add to cart button. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.